I'm back at the FindPoint Solutions website to introduce you to the Enhanced Canada Pension Plan Reference Tool. In this video, I'm going to provide a general overview of the tool. Other videos in this series will dive deeper into each specific part of the tool, and other videos will provide examples of people who are at different stages in their career when the Enhanced CPP started. First of all, there are two things that you can move and control in this version of the tool. The first of those is the gray bar that you can slide right and left. This gray bar is how you set the age of the person that you want to find Canada Pension Plan information for. The gray bar is called the age scale. The second thing that you can move and control is activated or deactivated by clicking on this toggle button. When you click on the toggle, a shaded area with a purple scale appears. The shaded area is called the 40-year scale. What you'll notice is that the movements of the 40-year scale are limited. This is because the 40-year scale obeys some specific rules about the Enhanced CPP. Like I said at the beginning, other videos will dive deeper into what these scales mean. For now, I'm going to continue with providing a general overview of the tool. The age scale and the 40-year scale work together when they line up in the way you need with the timeline. The timeline is repeated both above and below the age scale. The timeline starts in 1966, which is the year the Canada Pension Plan first started to pay out retirement pensions, and the timeline ends in the year 2100. The area around the timeline contains information about Canada Pension Plan rules and how things are calculated. The white area above the timeline contains information about the base CPP. Base CPP means the original part that was in effect before the recent enhancements. The two blue areas above the timeline contain information about the Enhanced CPP. The Enhanced CPP has two parts. The first part started in 2019, and the second part started 5 years later in 2024. The white area below the timeline contains information that applies to all three parts of the Canada Pension Plan: the base CPP, the first part of the Enhanced CPP, and the second part of the Enhanced CPP. That's all I want to cover as a general overview. I'll start diving deeper, piece by piece, in the videos that follow.